Hi, Professor Zubkov. I wanted to show you how you can relatively quickly duplicate an assignment or to split up an assignment as you had requested. So I'm in a demo course for Chang, and I'm going to come over to the homework questions that are listed here. And for example, let's just say that for the content in these conceptual questions, I want to divide this into two separate assignments. So what I would do is I would come over and click on the box to the right of the question, and then come up to the paper stack or to-do image here, and I'm going to copy this particular assignment. And when I'm here, I'm going to pick the course that I'm in this case it's the demo course, and I'll select copy. I can now see that the assignment that I've copied is here in yellow. It's not assigned because I need to come in and edit that. But so I have two versions of the question. So what I would do is then come into the first one that's already assigned. I would choose assignment options and edit assignment. And then from here, if I wanted to keep, say the first half of it, I could come and select the material that I do not want to include from the first assignment. Select all of those and delete those questions, and then just continue on to continue assigning that first version of the assignment. I probably want to rename it Part 1, and I will hit the Assign button. So I have the first version of that, Part 1 here. And now I can come to the second version and go back to Edit Assignment. And now I can remove those first, the first batch of questions that were related to the first assignment and delete those. And then I'll continue through. I can adjust any point values. I'll name this Part 2. I can add my due date. And then I'll review and assign and assign. So now I would have, and I'll just move this one into here. So now I have Part 1 and Part 2 broken up. I hope that answers any questions you have. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.